Every day, millions of tons of metal are thrown away. But in places like this, nothing is truly wasted.
Before recycling can begin, everything starts here. Old cars, discarded machines, and heavy steel are. Before any transformation happens, accuracy matters. Automated systems analyze every piece. Not all metal behaves the same. Here, powerful magnets quietly pull steel away from everything else. Once steel is removed, the focus shifts to lighter metals. Aluminum, copper, and other valuable materials are sent. Here, optical sensors identify shape, color, and composition in real time, in fractions of a second. Even in highly automated systems, oversight still matters. Here, trained specialists leaders. Inside these enclosed systems, metal is reduced to uniform size, making it easier to handle. Here, materials are guided through a magnetic sorting system. Iron-based metals respond naturally, allowing tissues. Some metals don't respond to magnets. By generating powerful rotating magnetic fields, non-ferrous sticks. Before moving to the next stage, materials are carefully balanced. By controlling distribution and by using carefully controlled airflow, lighter elements are guided along a separate path, while denser materials. Before materials move on, one final verify takes place. Optical systems confirm composition and clearance. At this stage, the system confirms that each material stream meets required processing standards. Automatic. After verification, materials are prepared for consolidation. This stage organizes each status. Before consolidation begins, materials are carefully aligned. This controlled setup ensures uniform flux. At this stage, materials take on their final form. Guided panels ensure each unit is once formed, is stabilized to preserve its shape. Automated systems ensure secure alignment. Before leaving the processing line, This holding stage allows the system to confirm that every process has completed successfully. Once cleared, materials are transferred to automated transport systems. These vehicles follow predefined paths. Storage here is fully automated. Each unit is assigned a precise location, allowing materials to be retained. Behind the storage system, data guides every decision. Inventory mapping allows the facility to track are requested. When materials are requested, the system prepares retrieval automatically. Every movement is calculated instantly. Once retrieved, materials move along predefined internal routes. These automated pathways can fitches. Before leaving the facility, materials are staged according to destination. This alignment step ensures. Before final departure, each unit is verified once more. Destination data and routing are. At the loading docks, timing matters. Each bay is prepared in advance, allowing materials fully synchronized. Automated systems guide each unit into position, maintaining balance and alignment throughout the process. With all checks complete, the shipment is cleared for departure. Every step, from processing to loading, has been universal. Once shipments are cleared, data takes over. Logistics systems synchronize routes, timing, and the system evaluates distance, timing, and capacity in real time, selecting the most diffuse. Once shipments are on the move, monitoring continues. Every route is tracked in real time, allowing the city beyond the factory. Coordination continues. Distribution hubs align schedules and capacity. Timing is managed long before a shipment arrives. By adjusting arrival windows dynamically, the system before shipments arrive, receiving facilities signal readiness. This confirmation ensures the finches. As materials move through the network, their progress is continuously confirmed. Real-time updates. To keep the network efficient, transport loads are balanced continuously. By distributing capacity evenly. As shipments move between regions, handoff points confirm responsibility and continuity. Before arrival, the destination is already prepared. Facility layouts, entry paths, and unleash approach. As shipments approach, arrival slots are assigned automatically. By balancing dock availability, entry into the facility is carefully coordinated. Access timing, lane alignment, and safety zones are birds. With arrival confirmed, the system transitions seamlessly.
Location, timing, and route the facility. Once inside the facility, internal routing takes over. Guidance systems direct each movement. At the unloading zone, automation takes full control. Once unloaded, materials are automatically separated. Advanced systems guide each item to the correct process. Optical sorting systems analyze every item in milliseconds. Using light, data, and motion, instead of mechanical force, precision air jets guide materials into the correct processing lanes. It's upward. Before moving forward, every item is checked by intelligent vision systems. They analyze throughlisten or seclid. Once verified, each material is instantly routed to the correct processing line. Once sorting is complete, materials move into dedicated collection lines. Each stream remains pure. After separation, materials are consolidated. This buffer balances flow and volume until clarity. To maintain consistency, the system controls how material moves forward. Feed districts. Before deeper processing begins, materials pass through one more inspection stage. This step the process. Throughout the process, system stability is constantly monitored. By tracking performance in real time, to maintain efficiency, the system fine-tunes flow in real time. Small adjustments keep materials aligned and perfect. Quality here isn't checked occasionally. It's monitored continuously. Every movement, every step leaves a digital footprint. Time, origin, process, and verification.
Quality isn't checked once, it's confirmed continuously. Here, consistency is automatic. There is no pause here, no reset, no downtime. The system moves forward continuously. Behind every moving machine, there is an intelligent system watching everything. Every second, every motion. Automated inspection systems measure shape, weight, and alignment with precision far beyond keyservers. Packaging is more than protection. Every seal, every label, and every edge is verifying. Accuracy matters at every level. Each package is weighed and verified automatically. Sealing is more than closure, it's protection. Automated inspection systems examine every seal and hubble. Every label tells a story. Automated verification systems ensure that product information. Weight accuracy is critical in modern manufacturing. Automated scales check every single package in real time. Not every product makes it through. Automated rejection systems quietly remove items that do not meet exact specifications. Every label tells a story. Automated vision systems verify codes, accurate. Sealing is the final promise of protection. Automated inspection systems verify every sieve. Packaging begins with structure. Automated carton forming systems create strong, uniform boxes. Loading is handled with precision. Robotic systems place every product accurately, maintaining speed while purchased. Once filled, cartons are securely closed. Automated sealing systems ensure every package is protected. Labeling completes the identity of each package. Automated systems apply tracking and shipping. Before shipping, every carton is checked once more. Automated weight verification ensures accuracy, preventing errors while palletizing brings order at scale. Robotic systems stack heavy cartons with precision. Before shipment, stability is essential. Automated wrapping systems secure each pallet. Once secured, pallets enter automated storage. Smart vehicles and digital tracking systems manage inventory is no longer counted by hand. Real-time monitoring systems track every pallet, providing instant visibility. From storage to shipment, automation continues. Every movement is timed and coordinated. From raw materials to finished shipments, automation transforms every step with precision and control.